Speak now, the investigators have secured 8 suspects and they call this as a revenge murder in retaliation to the killing of Arcot Suresh, a rowdy who was hacked to death in Chennai last year. In what way was Armstrong involved in this? Was he an accused in that case? Did he have any role in that murder? That's something we are waiting to hear from the police. And the police ruled this out to be a political murder. They call this a murder because of previous enmity. And this happened around 7:30 last night near the house of Armstrong, the Tamil Nadu BSP chief. 6 men who came on 3 motorbikes hacked him. Although he was taken to the hospital immediately, the hospital declared him brought dead. And as we speak now, the body remains at the Tamil Nadu Government Rajiv Gandhi Medical College Hospital, where hundreds of people are gathered here. The BSP supporters or the cadre, they demand a CBI probe, and indications are the mortal remains could be moved in a couple of hours for public viewing first, and then the cremation, the exact location where the body will be laid to rest. That's something at the moment is not clear, because there are also some demands coming from the BSP that the government should allow them to bury Armstrong's body at their party office. And for the ruling DMK, this is the second such death of a politician. Recently, a Congress leader was found dead in mysterious circumstances in Tirunelveli. It's not clear yet whether it was a murder or a case of death by suicide. And that has led or triggered several questions in terms of the police's prevention, also their control over antisocial elements. At the moment, the ruling DMK calls this as a stray incident. They say they will respond in detail after the police complete the investigation and the motive behind the killing gets clear.